Do you know beans can be a complete protein source? And also, do you know the benefits of beans? They're rich in protein, helps you out healthy, reduce the risk of cancer, diabetes, and also your glucose metabolism. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your food recipe. One of the biggest complaints I hear from people when it comes to cooking beans is that it takes forever to cook. But never mind, I've got you covered. All you have to do is just soak them or you boil them until they are tenderized. And let's be real, sometimes they can still come out tasting bland, unappetizing, and also frustrating. You want to make a delicious, comforting meal, and your beans are not just cooperating. But nevertheless, I've experimented with different cooking techniques, and I found that the key to making delicious homemade beans is all about your prep work. And sit back in order not to waste time. Let's get right into it. First and first, you have to make sure you pick your beans and make sure they don't have any stones in them. And after that, you're just going to wash, stroke, rinse your beans. Then in a pot, you go in with your water. Allow your water to get to a boiling point before you pour your beans in it. Then after that, you're just going to add your onion and your crayfish and allow them to boil until they are ready. At this stage, I'm just checking to see my beans, and this took about 25 minutes. Then I added another water and allowed it to boil for another 20 minutes until they are fully cooked. Time for us to make our sauce. In a pot, you go in with your onion and then you saute your onion for just 1 minute. After that, you're just going to go in with your blended pepper and your tomato, and then you're just going to mix together exactly what I'm doing in the video. After that, you're just going to go in with your bay leaf. Next step, you're just going to go in with your seasoning cube and also a little bit of salt, and then you're just going to mix together and allow it to incorporate. After 5 minutes of frying our sauce, we're just time for us to pour in our deboned mackerel fish. Then we're just going to mix this together. And pour in our beans. If your beans still has water in it, all you have to do is just save it and then you just pour it inside. Then after that, we're just going to mix this until it is properly combined together. After mixing your beans properly, time for us to start matching our beans with our spatula. So after mixing our beans and matching our beans, and allow this to sit on low heat between 5 to 7 minutes, this is what it's going to look. So we're just going to cover this and allow this to steam properly. And at this stage, I would advise you to taste your food so you can adjust its seasoning. So we're just going to allow this to steam for just 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Then our food is ready. The moment of truth has finally arrived and our beans are fully cooked and ready to be devoured. Take a bite, close your eyes, and let that rich texture and deep satisfying flavor wash over you. This is what homemade beans is all about. The beauty of homemade beans is that it can be used in so many dishes. You can use it as a side to your rice, to your pottage, to your sauce, to your stew. The list goes on and on. So all I have to say is just thank you so much for watching my videos. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe, and be sure to share your experience with me in the comment below. If you're new here, considering subscribing for more delicious recipe and cooking challenge. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.